Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore our strengths and passions to help guide us on our path. Find a comfortable seat. As you settle in, let your back straighten. Sit up tall so that you stay alert, but without creating tension. Let go of any gripping in your neck and shoulders. And slowly close your eyes. Now take a few deep breaths. Spacious inhales, soft exhales, and stay with the movement of your ribs and lungs expanding and releasing. Now, let your breath soften. Notice how the breath just shapes itself. And simply watch the natural rise and fall of your body breathing with you. Now, we'll use a breath technique to help focus and clear the mind. As we count the pacing, we'll add a gentle retention, holding our breath at the top of the inhale and the bottom of each exhale. Balancing the breath this way invites calm in both our mind and our body. So, we'll breathe in for a count of 4, hold our breath for 4, exhale slowly for a count of 4, and hold again for 4. Let's try it together. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let go of the count and gently return to your natural breath, noticing how you feel. And let's do that once more. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, let your breath soften. Relax into each inhale and exhale. Without judgments or labels, observe your state of mind. Notice how your body feels, how your heart feels. Now gently widen your attention. We've all heard the adage, if we choose a job we love, we'll never have to work a day in our lives. Though this may be a little too simplistic, there is some truth to it. Realistically, there will always be elements that are challenging and aspects that feel hard or unpleasant, regardless of what type of work we choose. But if we can find something that we feel enthused about, the love for what we do can carry us through the mundane and difficult moments. Purpose stems from passion, and doing something we're passionate about not only makes us feel alive, it leads to a sense of personal success and fulfillment. But each of us has a unique path to explore. As we start to quiet our thoughts and clear our minds, our meditation practice helps us clarify our true values, who we are, and what really matters to us. As we drop judgments and criticisms, we can start to explore what truly feeds and nourishes us. In the words of Steve Jobs, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. So start asking yourself, what brings you joy? What inspires and motivates you? Let this exploration lead you to your passion and purpose. But remember, dreams don't materialize overnight. Just start by taking the first step. If you've always wanted to be a writer, submit a poem to be published. Can't get enough of dog companionship? Why not start a dog walking service in your neighborhood? Now, gently bring your attention back to the room around you. Feel your body in space. slowly begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.